Hey everybody, back out at the range, Trigger Bar Philosopher, and today I'm going to be looking at my Henry Big Boy X in 4570, and I have a new dead air primal that I'm going to be testing out. All right, these are big boy rounds. I'm not a high volume round count guy when it comes to shooting 4570 because it hurts me shoulder. A little bit of a wimp, aren't I? So you just kind of load them in, push them into the side thing. You get, I don't know, I think it's sort of 4 rounds, something like that, in here, and then you kind of lever cock, put 4 in. Sure is 5. All right. So get another round and try it. Yep, source 5. So then you cock this last round, put one in the chamber, and bring it to here. We got a target we've been using for doing some other shooting, other videos today. Not very far out, 10, 25 yards. We're just going to point and see how it feels with me suppressor on it. Let's hope I don't blow my baffles out. Oh yeah, that actually tames it a lot. That feels so much better. So these rounds, you know, I can't remember what it says on the box, but we're talking like 300 grain round going maybe 1800 feet per second. That's kind of like where they go. Got that traditional smooth action from the Henry. God dang, I could be shooting this thing all day long now that it's got a suppressor on it. And I got a baffle strike. I'll be damned. Well, that kind of sucks. Got an oopsie and a bad one. Guess we'll be trying out dead airs. I'm not sure what the heck happened with that thing. We'll be trying out dead air's warranty on this thing now. Dang, that sucks. Look at that. Oh, I just waited so long. I think I may cry. Please cry with me. Oh, dang, I checked that. It was sound. I don't know what the heck happened with that. I even checked the alignment with a rod before I got out here. Gosh, dang it. What the heck happened? This thing is on tight too. Look at that. Jeez, it went right out the baffle. Holy crap, that's not a baffle strike. That's an exit. The freak happened to that? Dang it. Yeah, it's on top of the Zeno mount, which is supposed to be fine for this. I got a flash hider under that. Holy crap, that sucks so bad. Okay, I was just able to get back to the house. I was able to get the suppressor off. You can see the muzzle brake actually blew off and was inside the can. I can get that out. See, there's the Zeno flash hider. Blew off the end. And then you can see where the bullet kind of went sideways and on out. Looks like it must have hit that flash hider in order to blow that off. Here's the inside of the adapter. This here is also the Zeno mount. Didn't number on my barrel. I don't know what I have to do to that. You can see the threading got all messed up. I may have to I am gonna have to get this into a barrel person who could maybe take a look at that, see what they can do to fix it up. I'm not sure what's going on there, but yeah, what a number. All right, well, to be continued. I'll call dead air and we'll start from there and we'll see what's going on. Show them this video and see what we can do from there.